Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has announced a raft of measures to make home ownership more accessible for Jamaicans through the National Housing Trust, NHT. Effective July 1, the loan limit for individual mortgages will increase to $9 million, while 2 co-applicants can access $17 million and 3 co-applicants $23 million. In addition, the NHT will lend up to $12 million to an individual mortgager who's buying a unit valued at $14 million or less, subject to affordability.
In fact, Madam Speaker, we have given a policy directive to the NHT that all their resources should now be directed at producing houses that are around this price point. The NHT will not get involved in any new development of houses above this price point.
Contributors building their houses can also borrow more, up to $11 million for individuals, $17 million for 2 co-applicants, and $23 million for 3 co-applicants. Also effective July 1, the NHT will reduce the waiting time to access home improvement loans from 10 to 7 years. The loan limit for this benefit has increased to $5 million, up from $3.5 million. The deposit amount for open market loans will be reduced from 5 to 2%. This is for housing solutions valued at $14 million or less and will benefit contributors earning less than $30,000 weekly. NHT's service charges for contributors buying on the open market have also been revised. Prospective mortgages earning $30,000 or less weekly will not pay anything, and mortgages earning between $30,000 and $42,000 weekly will pay 2%.
Prospective mortgagors earning $42,100 per week or $42,001 per week and above, their service charge remain at 5%.
In relation to contribution refund, Dr. Holness says private sector mortgages will now have the option for either cash refund or for the money to go towards their existing mortgage obligations, provided that the loan is not in arrears. This will be assessed on a year-by-year basis based on the NHT's cash flow position.